Now these are the mornings I don't mind coming out to. Nice and overcast. I'm taking down this, you know, this thing where the birds used to hang out on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hang out on it. They don't hang out on it anymore. And I think I'm going to repurpose these railroad ties. So, it's going to get a couple of these little screws out of here. So we're wanting to take these railroad ties and put them alongside the planters down there, just kind of slide them straight down and give our what's going to be a garden a little bit of a border. That's if we don't need to use these railroad ties to go under the shed. So we're going to see how all that comes together. Just about got all this broken down, and I'm just going to keep it piled up over here for right now. And the lumber I'm going to be adding back into the chicken run to add more roosting bars. I'm realizing as the chickens get older, they're not wanting to sleep inside that little coop anymore, and that's cool. We can always repurpose it, move it around for other types of chickens in the future. But we're going to leave it for now because it's what they use it for the egg laying boxes. So, all right. Got the chickens scratch out this morning already. Their waters are good. I haven't turned on irrigation or anything. I'm trying to see if it's going to rain. If I pick you up and turn you around, it's looking pretty good. Clouds are low, and went and got Starbucks early this morning before the sun came up, and it was raining just northwest of us. Once again, I tell you what, it just never rains on this property. But man, I hope that stuff over there makes it our way, and everything gets a free drink today. Check back in a second. So it's actually raining. Just a little bit. Big giant drops. Let me get my, look at these chickens over here running. Get back inside. I got to get my tools in real quick. Yeah, what's going on? I'm not quite sure what to do, huh? Oh, this is nice. Yeah, it's starting to come down now. Let me get my tools out of the yard. All right, I'm gonna head back out here one more time. So we got some eggs that we found underneath the chicken run. That's not where they're supposed to be. but these are pretty much just going to go straight down in the compost pile. Let me figure out how to flip you around. There we go. I'm still trying to learn this whole gimbal thing, but let me grab a tool from over here real quick. But I just take those eggs and just smash them. Well, it's not raining, but it's definitely a little bit of a sandstorm. It looks like it's foggy, but it's just dust. Let's get you girls inside before you guys fly away in the wind. Okay, that's a bit of a task by yourself. Everybody else is working right now inside, but got a little storm a brewing, so we're gonna get back in. All right. It's just one of the mornings where you sit outside and drink your coffee and watch it rain. I love that. So we got our 10 minutes of rain. Always does that. So those chickens are still just out doing their thing. But I'd hope it'd rain a little more, but that's probably all we're gonna get. It was nice. Hope everybody's having a good week. Probably just get a small midweek update video loaded here. We got our little chicken playpen area here tore down. And so when they come to deliver the shed, we'll have those railroad ties to use if we need to level the shed. So otherwise, if we don't need them, they're going to be the border for the garden for now. So plenty of things to use them for. All right. Hope you're all having a good week. See you later.